Well, here at World of Color, we've always designed our show to make change and to sort of change things out as we need. And this year, we've added glow with the show, our light-up Mickey hats. They're a cool little toy that you can buy at our shops and wear around, and they change color and do all kinds of crazy things with LEDs in the ears. And when you come to see World of Color, they become part of the show and they bring you into the show. These Glow with the Show hats are filled with technology. Their base control infrastructure is infrared, just like your TV remote. The viewing area is divided into zones, about 40 zones, and each of those zones is able to be sent individual commands to the hats within that zone. The hats themselves have a unique serial number, and so with the combination of the unique serial number and the zones, we can create geographic spatial effects where we wipe colors from right to left or from the front of the audience to the back or the middle to out. We can even control one ear differently than the other ear. We've just begun to scratch the surface of the technology here at World of Color with the hats. The hats have the ability to interact between each other. They also have other places that you can take them and things can happen. As you wander around the new Cars Land, there are a couple of places the hats will react to you being in that space. Go have a meal at Flo's and see what you think about the hats there. World of Color was always designed to be an immersive experience. It was designed to tug at your heartstrings. It was designed to make you feel happy and sad and to be a little scared sometimes. And the more we draw you as a guest into the show and make you a part of it, the more we can tug and play with your emotions, which ultimately is what entertainment's about. It's about taking you on an adventure, taking you somewhere that you haven't been before and making you feel things that you maybe haven't felt before or for a long time.